Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you the best apps that pay you PayPal cash, and you can make money from your phone this way. So these are going to be a very good, high-rated apps on the Apple stores and on the Google Play Store. So let's check it out right now, okay? Alright guys, before I get started, since you're on my YouTube channel, I just want to point out this link over here on my YouTube channel that you may want to check out, because this is what I do online, okay? And this is how I make passive online income every single month and make thousands of dollars. And this video right here will show you exactly how that works, okay? So I hope you check it out. So let's get on with the first app. It's called Street Bees at streetbees.com. So this is an app that you can use on your phone to answer questions from companies that want to know, okay? So on this front page, this is talking to Street Bees clients, okay? So they're talking to brands and companies who want to have access to people like you and me to get market research done in real time, okay? So they want to get information from people quickly and to the right people with real-time insights. So this technology or this app is going to get brands and companies very quickly the answers that they need from people like you and me. Okay, so this is going to be worldwide. This is going to be available for a lot of people around the world. Okay, so let me just go to the place where you need to go, which is, so first you could click on the top here, Meet the Bees. Okay, so click on that, Meet the Bees, and then once you're here on this page, you will have a button here where you can sign up. So let's go to that button right here. Want to become a bee? So join thousands of people making money today doing simple tasks. Okay, so let's check it out. And here you are. You're going to share your stories and have fun. So this is going to be a really easy way for you guys to make some money, because you're just answering questions about things that you're doing, okay? So I'm going to give you examples, okay? Just hold on. So you're going to do basically how this works is you're going to pick a task, you're going to answer the questions, and you're going to get paid in cash. Very simple, okay? So look. Tasks are easy. Take a 1-minute video while you make tea. I mean, can you do that? You could get 10 pounds for making a 1-minute video, okay? And you could earn $5. Say what you think of your mobile network. So you could just like answer questions or make a video or take a photo. So you could earn, so they're using all these different currencies because to show you that this works worldwide, and they're going to pay you according to where you live, okay? So on the right here on this mobile, you can see the simple things that you'll be doing on this app. So if you're making coffee, they want you to either do a video or a picture of the coffee you're using or you're making, and they answer some simple questions. I mean, look at this. Very easy stuff, right? It is not hard at all using this app. And this has been in use for a lot already. There are 25,000 stories available worldwide this month. There's like 150,000 questions answered and over 2,000 photos uploaded. So go ahead and join this, and you're going to get paid using PayPal. So I'm just going to go to the reviews quickly here. So on the Apple Store, they are highly rated at 4.4. That's a pretty good rating for apps. Usually money-making apps are like 2 or 3 stars, okay? So 4.4 is pretty good, but there's not a lot of ratings, only 800 people on the Apple Store. But on the Google Play Store, it's a big different story because there are tons of people using this app, because over 38,000 people rate it, meaning there's probably hundreds of thousands of people using it, because not everybody rates, of course. And I want to show you in this app description that they do pay by PayPal, because I couldn't find it on their website how they pay. So it's right here. Payment is sent straight to your PayPal account. So another reason why it's worldwide is as long as you have access to PayPal, that's how they're going to pay you, okay guys? So at 4 stars, this is going to be a pretty good app for you. So the next one I'm going to show you is at Cash Karma at cashkarma.io. So here you're going to be completing surveys and doing some other tasks to earn not only cash, but also gift cards, okay? And if you don't qualify, you're still going to get rewards. So a lot of survey apps and survey sites usually when you start a survey and you end up not qualifying, even though you've started the survey and spent time on the survey, you usually get nothing when you realize that you don't qualify. So this is very good that they're going to still give you some rewards if you don't qualify. And then you get 300 points just to install. So that's very good as well. So to redeem, these are your options. You have PayPal Cash and Amazon gift cards. So that's very good as well. And you could earn bonuses here when you earn achievement badges. So if you complete 5 offers or watch 25 videos, earn 8,000 points, etc., you're going to get different badges, and so you're going to get leveled up basically. Increase your reward level each time you earn an earnings badge, levels 1 through 4. You can earn up to 12.5% bonus each time you complete an offer. So that's very great. So for Cash Karma, their rating on the Apple Store is not too great. It's only at 3.2. So it's in the middle, but there's very little people are using it on the Apple Store for some reason. But on the Google Play Store, people really love it. There's over 57,000 people rating it, so lots and lots of people, over 100,000 people must be on this app, and it's over 4 stars here. I just want to take a look at their description here to see if there's anything else. So basically, you're completing surveys, trying new products, shopping for deals, and then you can redeem your points whenever you do that kind of activity on the app for gift cards. So there's more than Amazon. So they have a variety of gift cards you guys can choose from. And of course, you will also have the option to get cash via PayPal as well. And as you can see down here, they've had over 1 million installs already with only 57,000 people reviewing. So you can see there's a tons more people using this app than people actually rating it. Okay, so the next one I want to show you is this one right here. It's called OneQ at OneQ.com. So this one is similar to the first app I showed you because you're just really answering very, very simple questions. And it's called OneQ because you're only going to answer one question at a time to earn right away, instantly, okay? So check this out. So if you're going to be an individual, you're going to click right here, get paid to share your opinions, and you're going to get to this page here. Companies need to know now. So this is why you're going to get paid to share your opinion. So every question that you get is only one question. And that's all you need to answer is to answer that one question to earn 25 cents for each of these questions that you answer. See, you've just been paid 25 cents via PayPal. So here's another way for you to get paid from PayPal instantly, basically, and it's going to be very fast the way they pay once you answer the questions, okay? So when you click here to sign up, you'll get to this page where you could get access to their app stores, okay? So again, you sign up, join the OneQ community, over 1 million members already. You're going to answer very easy questions, okay, using your phone, and then you're going to just get paid via PayPal very quickly, okay? And so at the Apple Store, you are looking at a 4.4 rating, over 12,000 people rating it. So this is a very good score for this at 4.4. So this is a very, very good app, okay? So for here, this is just the example of the question that you can get. OneQ pays you an instant 25 cents every time you answer a simple question. Seriously, it's that simple. Companies ask, you get paid instantly to your PayPal account. We call them Ask Verts. So it's going to be pretty easy for you guys to earn from this app. And here on the Google Play, it's just as great. People love it here too. Over 4 stars and over 23,000 people rating it. So again, it's just at 4.4 stars. So this is a very good app for you guys to earn money. And these are 3 highly rated apps that I just showed you. So I hope you can use these apps and make some money. And if you do, save that money and invest in yourself and learn some online skills that you could earn even more money. I'm talking about a real income online that is passive online income, and you can learn that using the program in the second link that's in the video description, okay guys? So check that out where you could learn some real online skills, because if you want to earn big money online, you need to really learn some online skills that will teach you how to drive online traffic to promote products. And it's going to be even better for you to actually make a real income that you could depend on, okay guys? So check out that second link in the video description, and I'll tell you all about that program, okay guys? And it's something that I use too, so I hope you follow my path. So I hope you like this video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, guys, but I have no idea when they come out, so get notified, okay? So I hope I see you on the next one. Bye.